surplus DIY is about to come on.
Okay, here's the mission: to make this house clean, comfortable, and inviting. And in order to do that, I have to get organized. Once I can get back inside of the house and start working and really getting some stuff done, then I'll start to feel like I have some things accomplished. On the last episode, you'll see me making this homemade carpet bag, filling it up with concentrated carpet solution, letting it sit for 4 days, and seeing what happens. I power washed the house and garage, and I'm happy with the results. For those who have never used a power washer before, they're really easy to use and super inexpensive compared to how much it would cost you to pay someone to do this. Now the carpet didn't come clean, so I guess you'll be seeing me replace that in a future episode. But the good news is I feel like I'm getting something done. I got the house and the garage all power washed. And now, let's get ready for this next episode. On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. For this episode, I'm simply going to be using AI to help me keep this lawn looking attractive and everything, and I'll show you how to do that too. So first of all I'm really going to do is just simply take a picture of what this grass looks like. So let me go and do that, and I'll explain exactly what AI sees, and it's going to show me exactly how to take care of everything. So subscribe. So I uploaded a picture of the grass along with a message just said, I want to get rid of these weeds and unwanted growth. I just want green grass. What should I do? So I'm in the car headed to Home Depot. Just by me taking a picture of the weeds, the AI has outlined a step-by-step guide. So basically it already knows what type of weeds, how to take care of it, and how to maintain everything. So it's just as easy as that. In future episodes, you're going to be seeing me completely painting the room, putting new ceiling fans in. I'm going to be refinishing the hardwood floors. In the kitchen, I'm going to be doing the epoxy countertops. But for this episode, you're going to be seeing me getting rid of these weeds and tidying up the front of this house to make it look more presentable. Here we go. Ortho Weed Be Gone. Walked right over to it. It's the first on the list. On the way up here, I was thinking how I wanted to redo the front of the house. So I'm going to come and grab some landscape fabric or weed barrier, and we're going to go ahead and redo the front of the house with mulch. You're going to be landscaping or even gardening and you don't want something growing through in specific areas, just use like a mulch barrier or a landscape barrier. It's just simply a fabric or a material that prevents weeds and unwanted materials from being able to punch through and grow. Okay, so no matter what type of weed killer you're gonna use or decide to use, it just needs to not damage the lawn, and then you have to just read kind of some specifications or whatever. But that's the first thing that you're gonna need to do is de-weed the lawn. So you can either get the kind that hook it up to a water hose and spray. This particular kind, it comes with a spray nozzle, and I just had to individually walk the lawn, and it takes a little bit of time. You might have to spend 10, 20, 30 minutes just doing nothing but walking the lawn and just spraying. So after that, with any type of weed killer, you cannot seed immediately after that. You're gonna need to wait 3 to 4 weeks. This is a slow release organic nitrogen fertilizer. It's not a weed killer and it's not seed. It's just a slow release fertilizer, which it's gonna make your grass super duper green. So we'll be applying this afterwards, and then you can also seed right away. So you can do both of these together, but first we have to get rid of the weeds, okay? Okay, what I'm spraying now is the Ortho Weed Be Gone. It's supposed to take care of the crabgrass and clovers. Those are those white flowers that we saw earlier in the video. Let's just see how that does. The landscaping is done. What do y'all think? And of course the grass is a work in progress, getting those weeds out. On the next video, I'm going to be sanding down the front porch, so you're gonna want to see that. So if you haven't already, you're gonna want to subscribe.